Hey bestie, let's be honest, you make a full summer list but ending up binge watching YouTube and lazing around the house. If yes, well, I have got you bestie. Today I am gonna share in soft girl summer routine. It will help, and hey, don't worry, I will make sure you enjoy your summer to the fullest. Wake up a bit late as it's holidays, get that rest you have been craving for. Wake up around 8 to 8:30 a.m. Don't rush it as it's holidays. Don't worry if you snooze once or two, just don't scroll for hours. To enter that productive girl era, first thing you should do is make your bed. Move your body. After making bed, do stretching and say goodbye to the sleepiness. Get fresh. Hey girly, by this time you would probably want to freshen up. If you want to take shower, this the perfect time. Whether it's a long relaxing bath or just a quick rinse, make sure to wash your hair properly with shampoo and conditioner. If you want to have a long relaxing bath, take that products that makes you feel pampered. Brush your teeth. Trust me girly, no one wants bad breath in the morning. You can do a simple skincare routine like cleanse, moisturizer, toner, sunscreen. It is a must even on cloudy days. If you want to go a little overboard, you should use guashua. Ice facial is a must in summer. It gives you that natural dewy glow, refreshes the skin and fights with acne. Don't worry if it takes more time than usual, it is our slow summer glow up era. There is no loss in making ourselves pampered. Breakfast time. Summer is the perfect time to experiment with new recipes. Try a new breakfast recipe, maybe it's something you have never even tried before. Try oats with Greek yogurt or oats with fruits. And hey, don't be shy to grab a cup of tea or coffee if that's your vibe. Or whether eats what works best for you, just make sure you have enough energy for the rest of the day. Let's get creative. Summer is the perfect time for hobbies. Try that hobby you always wanted to try. Whether it's painting, crocheting, or baking. Or try whatever you like, just remember to have fun. Healthy snack. Bestie, trust me when I say fruits in summer are must. Make a fruit bowl. It can have mangoes and grapes. In summer it is must eat at least 2 fruits. If you not a fruit girly, just eat watermelon. It is best in summer. It meets your skin hydration level and plump you skin. Declutter and tippy up things. Tidy up one small area of your room. It can be a drawer, shelf and a desk. Put on a song or a podcast and vibe with it while cleaning. Now it's time to take rest. You don't always have to be productive all the time. Life is all about exploring and having fun. There is no life without balance, and hey, no guilt for chilling. You already have done so much today. Romanticizing holiday work. Now is the perfect time for holiday work. Trust me, a little work today will help of overcome the last day of panicking. Only 1 hour is enough. Lunchtime. After studying, you can make delicious yet healthy recipe. You can try salad or rice or sesame chicken, whatever feels like it. Nap time. If you want to take a nap, you can take it, and hey, if you are not a nap girly, no worries, feel free to skip this step. Instead, you can cutely dressed up and get ready with little makeup so you can go to meet a friend or a solo date. Social